Want a new sound when someone messages you on Facebook Messenger? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to change your ringtone on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and go to your home screen. Find the Messenger app, the blue chat bubble icon with a lightning bolt, and tap to open it. On the main chat screen, look to the top left corner and tap your profile picture. This opens your Messenger settings menu. Now, we'll head straight to the sound options so you can choose your new ringtone. In Settings, look for Notifications or Sounds, then tap it to open your sound settings. Here, find the ringtone or notification sound option, depending on your version of Messenger. Tap Ringtone. You'll see a list of available tones you can choose from. Tap on different tones to preview them until you find one you like best. When you're happy with your choice, make sure the new ringtone is selected with a check mark or highlight, then go back to save it. That's it, you've changed your Facebook Messenger ringtone on iPhone. Hit like and subscribe for more quick, easy tech tips.